Right, it's finally here. My Ford F150 SWB Lariat. Took a little bit longer than it should have due to some ADR compliance issues in Australia. They're all sorted now. Some things I want to put back. People who know will know what I'm talking about. I'm not going to go over all the specs, just point out some of the things that we got done before delivery. It's got Radflo suspension, front and rear, adjustable in the front, 2-inch lift all round, including a GVM upgrade up to 3.5 ton. The AMP electric side steps and the Ford electric roller shutter and airbags in the back. 3.5 litre EcoBoost, as most of you will know for the Australian delivered ones. Coming back from the dealer, 130 Ks, averaged 11.8 litres per 100 in fairly heavy traffic. I've got a few runs this weekend to do, including towing a 3-ton caravan, so we'll check all that sort of stuff out and see how it goes. I'll leave you with a bit of a walk around, and obviously there's plenty of things that I want to do to this already. I've got wheels and tyres ready for it. It's getting full PPF wrap so it can go anywhere I want to point it. Yeah, stay tuned.